Greetings campers, welcome to Farmeritaville. It's that time of year again. I am at Texas Frightmare Weekend, the South's premier deodorant commercial and horror convention. I'm ready to jump inside and see what's going on. I have no plan, I have no bullet points. I'm just gonna like run in and see what's going on. So come with me and let's take a look around Texas Frightmare Weekend 2024. Show floor just opened. It's VIP hour, which I learned last year. The VIP hour is the time to see the floor when there's nobody in here. It's fantastic. Some of the vendors haven't even opened up yet, but that's fine. Trick or Treat Studios is at Trans World, and I don't have any spendy money anyway. I like that shirt. The quote from The Shining. That's cool. Yep, you can tell it's early. You can tell it's Sunday. A lot of people are just waking up. A lot of people are just getting in. Cool, the famous Monsters of Filmland op. The back wall with all the big name, or typically big name people that they've had in the past. Matthew Lillard. They got like the whole Scream cast this year. Like everybody from the original Scream is here, with minus Courtney Cox. So that's kind of cool. I actually walked by David Arquette a few minutes ago, just out in the open. It's Sunday morning. It's not that crowded. Kind of feels like everyone's still waking up and or hungover. But this is just a look at the lines, the wait lines for VIP only. And some of these guests aren't even here yet. So some of these people are just like standing by to be the first. And I can only imagine how crazy it was yesterday on Saturday. Texas Chainsaw Massacre casts. Kane Hodder is not here yet.
They're dead right now.
Spicy Donut always does the old school like art drawings, and that's one spot. I never come in here planning to spend money, but I spend money with them every year because I love the style of it. All right, I'm gonna try to go through most of the show floor. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna get to or how long it's gonna take. And if you're like me, you're in a hurry. So just wait for the next few seconds and you can see it all. I'm headed upstairs to see some friends, but this is the GA door just opened and the GA crowd is rushing in. This is why I like to take advantage of the early VIP hour. They just keep coming. No end in sight. That line probably goes way back into the parking garage, which is off to the right. Craziness. It's like in the movies when someone dies and their ghost just ascends up. Is this the POV? I'm actually just on a long-ass escalator. Goodbye, my friends. I'll think about you. Now I'm upstairs looking down. There's the line we just saw going in the door, and it is that much longer. Holy crap. Highly recommend the VIP ticket if you can afford it. I have already seen most of the show floor. Bear in mind, I didn't do too much shopping, and I didn't really stop and do autographs. That's not really the thing on my list, but yikes. Every time I come to the Irving Convention Center, I think it's from like 2001: A Space Odyssey or something. Nope, no humans designed this place. It's too weird. Aliens designed it. If you're still here and you're still paying attention and you're still watching, I want to share with you right now the cosplay montage, because you have earned the cosplay montage. All right, well, I have had a very long, tired, but also fulfilling weekend, and I am gonna roll out. Thank you for joining me for this video. 2024 Texas Frightmare Weekend. We came, we saw, we conquered. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Typical YouTuber sales pitch, you've heard it before. Thanks for watching. In the meantime, y'all go do stuff. I'll see you soon.